Fellow traders, we are back with one more setup, and the pair this time is Euro AUD. So before we talk about it, let's check the date and the time right here. So let's refresh. And now it is 11:27 a.m. Monday, 18th of May 2026 in EST. So let's get back to the chart. And the Euro AUD 4-hour time frame, as you can see, okay, and this candle broke this high, so we are going to take long. Okay, we will enter long at the current price around 6272, whatever the price is. So we will enter long right here, and this black line is going to be my take profit, which comes from the previous swing high. Okay, so previous high is this here. You can call it significant high. We have this high here as well, but this is the high with the proper body candle. Okay, this is the wick, this is the rejection, but this has a proper body. So this is my significant high in the nearest chart. Okay, what do we have? So we have entered long, right? And we're gonna take profit at 6404. So how many pips are we gonna get in this? 30 plus 130 pips, right? So I guess we will be getting 130 pips in this trade, and when the take profit is hit, I will come back and record the other part of the video. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back here with the update. So let's check the date and the time first of all. So here we are going to refresh, and currently it is 1:16 p.m. Tuesday 19th of May 2026 in EST. So let's get back to the chart. I have booked my profits at the current price 6317 something. Okay, because we got this rejection wick, so we might be taking a pullback or maybe going down. So we'll see how it goes, but I am out of the trade, booking I guess 45 maybe 47 pips. Okay, so we entered somewhere here at this candle. Okay, so let me see. Our entry was right here at 6270, and we are out at 6317. So I think we made 47 pips in this trade, and our take profit was above the EMA, but we got the rejection from the EMA, so we have to act accordingly. Okay, all right, so we still made profits, right? We made 45 47 pips in this trade, and I am going to upload this video tomorrow. So today, what date is this? Is 19th of May. I'll upload this tomorrow on 20th of May. Okay, so we made money, right? We entered here and we are out here, so we made 47 pips in this trade. Okay, cool. And you will find the screenshot in my Telegram channel, so you can always join my Telegram. You will find the link below. And if you want these setups before they happen, instant updates, exit, profit, TP, etc., so go and check out the first link below. Join the program so that you can get these setups yourself live when they are actually happening. Right now, when you're watching the videos, everything is done already. Okay, exit entry is already done. I am out of the trade. Profits are booked when you're watching this video. So if you want everything before this video live, then make sure you join the program. The first link below the video, or maybe you are already on the sales page. Till then, see you again.